how to draw the Detroit Tigers logo. We are going to start by drawing a curved line on the top of the page. Then connecting to the left side of that line, we are going to draw a curved line below it. Next, we are going to draw a small curved line going downwards from that one. We are going to leave a small space and then continue a line going downwards, and then leave another small space the same size and continue a line going downwards even further. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a curved line starting from the bottom of that curves up and inwards. Great job! Now we are going to draw two half oval-like shapes right here and here where we left the spaces. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking awesome so far. I can't wait to see them at the end. Now we are going to draw a small curved line that will start right here. Then from the bottom of that curved line, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards for the right side of the D. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a curved V-like shape that will curve down towards the left at the end, just like this. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now from the bottom of that curved line, we are going to draw a curved line going back upwards above it, similar to this but upside down. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the outline of the D for the logo. Now we are going to draw a small short line that's horizontal that will be right here. Then we are going to draw a small curved line connecting the right side of that straight line to the curved line below it. Now we are going to draw another small horizontal line above the one that we already drew. We're going to draw it right here. Then on both sides of that small straight line, we are going to draw a long straight line going upwards. Then we are going to connect the top of those two lines with a small straight line. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw another small straight line above that. Then we are going to draw a small line going upwards from the left side and a diagonal line that's longer going from the right side. And then we will go ahead and connect those two lines with a straight line. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost finished drawing the Detroit Tigers logo. Next, we are going to draw two curved lines like this, similar to the top outline that we drew earlier. Then we are going to draw a straight line going downwards from both sides. And at the bottom, we are going to connect those two lines with a straight line. Now we are going to draw another straight line similar to the one that we just drew, but a little bit below it. And on both sides, we are going to draw a short straight line going downwards. Then we will connect those at the bottom with a straight line. Finally, for the last part, we are going to draw another straight line below that rectangle we just drew, with a straight line going downwards from the right side, and a slightly curved line going downwards from the left side. Then for the last step, we are going to draw a curved V-like shape like this, similar to the outline we drew earlier. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. If this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see your drawing all colored in. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.